Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an offer ends timer in your checkout. For example, you're ending a sale and it's end in 7 days or something like that. 7 days this time. So you need to add a timer to show to create an urgency for people. So I'll show you. So for example, if you have a sale ending in 1 day, 8 hours and 9 minutes for each customers, it will show like this, right? So I'll show you how to add this one on your Shopify checkout, right? So for this, we're using the Checkout Ninja app to add the timer in Shopify checkout. So you need to be on Shopify Plus to use this app, right? So after installing the app, you will be on the home page of the app, right? And click on create advanced block. So I already made one timer, so I'll explain how the timer is. So you can give it title timer, and if you have any rules, you can give rules. If you don't have any rules, just skip the section. From the drop down, select the timer, right? So we have two types of timer in this app. Two types of timer is available. Timer ends in 10 minutes, something like that. So this is what you can give 20 minutes. So up to that time, the timer will be displayed there, right? And here you can give the label countdown. So what I did is you can give a date here. So this is the September 1, right? And the time also, right? And this is what it displays on checkout, right? So after the timer is done, then this will be added. So for example, uh, let me change this. That will give you more uh, value. So you can give sale offer ends, right? And save the changes. So once you saved, you'll get a checkout block. Copy this block and open the checkout editor. And you can add that as a custom block. Click on the custom block, add to checkout, and adding it once again, right? And I already added one. That's because it's showing two. So I'm just removing that block, and you can save it, right? So this is how you can easily add timer which says sales offer ends in this much time, right? So if you're finding this feature helpful, please subscribe to our channel. I'll be attaching this code which will be useful for you to edit in the description of this video. So that's it. Thank you.